Veron Peterking, coach of the Ocho Rios High School.
All right, coach. Really tough match today. What's your assessment of the team performance?
Well, it's Brownstone, it's always like that, so we expected nothing other than that, it's a rough game. I think my boys started a bit slow, you know what I mean, and we didn't like it. Brownstone went one up with that from then, and we take our time to get the goal back and everything, and we made a lot of missed passes, and you know what I mean, so on those days.
Pro that how you feel that when they get back that goal, you really thought that you could have clinched something and go and do it again?
Yes, but we were in the offside position too often, which were a more clear goal scoring opportunity. But because of the offside, we were a bit unlucky there, So just going back to the drawing board, let's move on to the runner 4.
Definitely have a few more fixtures coming up. This is one of the toughest team clash. You're looking to see a team coming out through this group?
Yes, man, most definitely. That's what we're prepared for,
Yeah, I was told that you guys train extremely hard,
Well, we've been training, we're preparing for the next round, that's the aim really, and we know that the other teams are no joke, So to say that we train very hard is an understatement, you know what I mean? Because you have to think about teams like Clarendon and those teams who take football very seriously. So they say that we train very hard is really an understatement, you know what I mean?
Yeah. All right, coach. Good game, definitely. We should see you in the next round.
Yes, man, definitely.
Bless up,
Yeah, man.